Welcome. If you're looking to remove your Bitmoji avatar from Snapchat, you're in the right place. Maybe you want a fresh start, or just prefer not to have an avatar linked to your profile. Whatever your reason, the process is quick and simple. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get it done in just a couple of minutes. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main camera screen. From here, look to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This is usually your Bitmoji if you've already set one up. This will take you straight to your Snapchat profile page. Now, on your profile page, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a little gear. Tap on that to open up your settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the Bitmoji option. Tap on it to open your Bitmoji settings. Here, you'll see options to edit or customize your avatar, but if you want to remove it completely, look for the Unlink My Bitmoji or Remove My Bitmoji button at the bottom of the screen. The wording might be slightly different depending on your app version, but it's always at the bottom and usually highlighted to stand out. Tap on Unlink My Bitmoji. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision. This step is important because once you remove your Bitmoji, your avatar and any customizations you've made will be permanently deleted from your Snapchat account. If you ever want to use Bitmoji again, you'll have to start from scratch. After you confirm, your Bitmoji will be unlinked and removed. When you go back to your profile, you'll notice your avatar is gone, and your profile will display the default Snapchat ghost instead. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Bitmoji from Snapchat. If you ever change your mind, you can always create a new one in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of your Snapchat experience.